From the Science History Institute, I'm Alexis Pedrick, and this is Distillations. The history of genetic engineering has been defined by hypothetical dreams and hypothetical nightmares. But this story is about one family's very real nightmare. When Jesse Gelsinger was born in 1981, he seemed healthy. But by age 3, something didn't seem right. His family doctor diagnosed him with anemia and said he should be on a high-protein diet.
That was probably the worst thing for Jesse.
This is Paul Gelsinger, Jesse's dad. He says that just a few days of this diet were nearly catastrophic.
Saturday morning, he woke up, parked himself in front of the television to watch cartoons, and immediately fell asleep, and we could not arouse him.
Jesse went into a stage 1 coma. In the hospital, he was diagnosed with a rare genetic disorder called ornithine transcarbamylase deficiency, or OTCD. It's a metabolic disorder. Usually, when we eat protein, it produces ammonia in our blood, which we then urinate away. But in Jesse's case, the gene that turns that ammonia into urine was faulty. So ammonia was building up inside of him, and it's toxic to the nervous system. The treatment for OTCD is a combination of a low-protein diet and medication. When Jesse woke up from the coma, he started this treatment. And as the years went on, he did pretty well.
He was advancing normally. He was underweight and short, but he did well. He did well in school, well enough. He wasn't the best of students, but I think it was more because of his condition than his actual mental acuity.
Jesse had other health scares, but his OTCD was manageable. He had a mild version of the disorder. And by the time he was a teenager, he was living a mostly normal adolescent life, despite the fact that he had to take more than 30 pills a day.
He was always the life of the party. He was the center of attention. He was a crack-up kid. He could make everybody laugh. He was so good at the pro wrestling thing. And I'd sit there and watch pro wrestling with him. And he was calling the moves that these guys were making before the announcers were. So that's how much he was into it. It was